floppy, 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 flop. Hey, my name is Winnie. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. And if you're one of my returning subscribers, welcome back to my channel. After my last vlog about my simple wash day routine, I received this question. Darling, my answer is no. I won't recommend any product, nor will I suggest any. All these products you see on the internet being advertised, they're just for business. And you don't need them. What you need is whatever is locally available wherever you are, and a product that you can afford personally. Having a flourish hair is not about what you put on from outside, but more of what you put from inside. Because hair grows from inside to outside. What you put from outside is just for maintenance, and they must have are shampoo, conditioner, and oils of your own choice. Whatever brand you see me using on my last vlog is what was locally available after moving out of my country to the place I'm living now currently. And yes, they are a little bit costly, but for me it was a good coincidence because they made my hair wash day routine to be much more easier and my hair to be much more manageable. So for me it was a win-win. But I won't lie or tell you that this is the best product for you, because whatever worked for me might not work for you. And it's some kind of trial and error test. And what I'll advise is just buy what is locally available wherever you are. And when you find something that works for you, just stick with it. And as I said earlier, it is what you put to inside that will matter most. And this includes eating a well-balanced diet, including foods that have high proteins, because protein is what provides structure to your hair. Drinking enough water. Water helps energize and support hair growth from root to tip. And just as water hydrates your skin, it does the same to your scalp. Lastly, try to get enough rest. Accept and embrace your hair. Pray for your hair. Love your hair. And count, it doesn't grow overnight. But with proper routines from outside and inside, you'll witness the growth. Don't forget, I'm not a hair expert. I'm just somebody who loves natural hair. And I hope you found this vlog helpful. If so, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and until next time, bye!